everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I apply my transfer foils. So I'm using my Get Nail 32 transfer foil gel, and I'm using my all new plaid transfer foils. First thing I'm doing is just going in and doing a thin coat of the transfer foil gel, curing that for 60 seconds. Once that's cured, I'm going to go ahead and place the foil right on top of the nail. Make sure it goes on there really straight and flat and no wrinkles at all. And then after that, I'm just going to rub the foil on the nails and just making sure that everything transfer over really well. And remember, when you cure the gel, you want to only cure for 60 seconds. If you under cure or over cure, the transfer foil is not going to stick on the nail really well. And like I said, just going in and just rubbing it down really well, and then also making sure that you place the foil on the nail the correct way. You want to make sure that the shiny part is facing up and the matte part is facing down. After that, just peel it off, and that is it. So after that, we're going to go ahead and do a coat of our Get Nail 32, or actually no, this is our NC gel top coat. Cure that for 60 seconds, and that is it. Everything went on the nail really good, and we're going to go ahead and try it again. So this one is a full coverage one, which this one or these type are usually a little bit harder to do because you definitely want to make sure that everything is on the nail and you don't have any little spaces in between. So the key to this one, same thing, just making sure that it goes on the nail really flat and there are no wrinkles at all. So I place one side down and then I kind of stretch the other side down. That way there are no little air bubbles or anything in between. After that, same thing, just with my fingertips, I just rub the foil down really well, making sure that it sticks to that transfer foil gel really good. And then once I've rubbed that foil for a few seconds, I'm going to go ahead and peel it off. And this is what I'm left with. As you can see, both of them look really good. On the one on the right side, there's just a tiny little dot that is missing, but other than that, it looks really good. And again, I use my Get Nail 32 transfer foil gel, which is available on my website. I'll be sure to leave the link down below, and as always, thank you for watching.